IPL is the world's most popular cricket league in the world. Indian Premier League was ranked number 6th in average attendance among all leagues in the world. IPL was started in the year 2008, April 18. In 2010, IPL became the first sporting events to be broadcast on YouTube channel. This league played 74 games, including 10 teams. This season, KKR won the league by beating Sunrisers Hyderabad by 8 wickets and 57 balls left. Sunrisers Hyderabad won a toss and chose to bat first, also scored only 113 out of 20 overs. While KKR came for batting, chased them 114 only in 10 overs and won the IPL 2024. The winner of the IPL won a cash prize of 20 crores, while runners-up a cash prize of 13 crores. In addition to the top two teams, Rajasthan Royals and Royal Challengers Bangalore also received a cash prize of 7 crores and 6.5 crores respectively. Individual performance also received a cash prize which includes 1. Virat Kohli received a cash prize of 10 lakhs for the highest score runs of 741 runs through this season. 2. Harshal Patel also received a 10 lakhs of cash prize for taking the most wickets this season. His tally of 24 wickets in 14 matches earned his a prize. Additional accolades include Sunrisers Hyderabad player Nitish Kumar Reddy, who was named the emerging player of the season for his impressive all-round performance. KKR's seasoned spinner Sunil Naran was honored as the most valuable player of the year. For more information and updates, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.